Hey Ryan, it's Albert here. All right, so here we are in your Merry Christmas funnel. So you're saying that you just want your products to be uh, set up with ShipStation, right? So let's see. You said you want to send directly to ShipStation and not use Shopify. So here you go. Go to your products here on your order form here. All right. So here in your follow-up, or not your follow-up actions, your shipping here. Sorry about that. I see you got this is a physical product. So you just have to select this. You'll have to make sure it's actually selected here. And then you'll go through here and then you'll have to select your store that you want it, right? So you want it to be sent to, all right? So go through there and then the product name, all right? Group number and all that and save and next. And that I would do that for um, all the products in this funnel if that's what you want. All right, that way each product will be processed over the connection, over the API connection. That data will be sent over and processed over through ShipStation. All right. If you have any more questions other than this, as long as it's regarding ClickFunnels side of things, I can answer any more questions or get you an answer. Okay. All right. Thanks.